of what you think about what he did. We're not here to judge. We listen, we don't judge, okay?
Making money online is easy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Make That Money channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to jump right on this trend. You're going to jump on this bandwagon right now, as you can see from the thumbnail, and you're going to make $100,000 to kickstart your New Year's. And we're going to be doing this together because I'm going to share with you my tips, my strategies, and how I am consistently making money online. And this is something that I'm going to be doing for myself. So if you want to be a part of my journey, then come with me. Now, if you have not been living under a rock, then you would have known about the Luigi Mangione case right now. And if you have been living under a rock, just to give you a small recap of what's been going on with this special case, it's that Luigi Mangione, he basically, pew-pewed someone on the streets of New York, which was actually a CEO of a major insurance company. And this has been sparking all sorts of chaos, riots. Persons are in favor of what he did, persons are not in favor of what he did. Anyways, they did caught him. Now, the thing about this case with Luigi Mangione is that he is so beloved for whatever reason. Well, for what he did. He's now become a beloved person in society, and that is what we are going to capitalize on. Now, whether you are in favor of what he did or not is beside the point. Are you in favor of making money real quick? Because I am in favor of making some cash, and I am going to be jumping on this trend. And if you think about it, this is the type of trend that most persons who are quick to make money online, this is what they do. They look for the hottest stories right now to jump on to see how they can spin it in a way to benefit them. For example, if you don't believe me, there is always two sides of something. Now, this situation that is playing out before our eyes, some might say that it is unfortunate, while some might say that we're going to make some money. I hope you're the second type, okay? Because you're going to make some money on this. And how we're going to make the money on this, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're going to be making print on demand because you are my friends. And because you support my videos and you support my channel, I'm going to share with you what I am doing right now to capitalize on what's going on. I am going to make some print on demand shirts and hoodies, and I am going to sell them. And we're going to make money together. You're going to need 4 apps. And not to worry, none of these apps are paid. They're all for free. You're going to make money with this method 100% free. I am in favor of making money online for $0. So the very first app that you're going to want are Canva. You're going to need Printify or Printable. You're going to need a website to launch your products on, which is going to be PayHip. And then you're going to need a social media. That's it. Just 4. Canva, Printable, PayHip, and TikTok. We're going to use TikTok because everyone and their mother right now is currently on TikTok. Facebook is old news. If you're still using Facebook, let me know in the comment section below because I don't use Facebook anymore. All right, guys, so the first thing you are going to do is to go on Printify, and you are going to go down to catalog here. And the reason why is that you want to get the specific sizes that you need in order to create the specific size on your hoodies or your t-shirt in Canva. So I'm going to click on hoodies here. I'm going to select this one as it says it's the best seller. And then I'm going to scroll down where it says right here, start designing. And this is what we want. right? It says the print area size is 3531 times 2352 pixel. So, and it shows you that this is actually the measurement. This is where we're going to put or fonts or pictures, images, whatever it is, it's going to be right here. They don't allow it to be all over the item. It's just going to be in the center top right here. And that is why this is important for us to know. So we're just going to copy this. And then we are going to go over to Canva. And then go to, once we go over to Canva, we click on this create a design. We're going to click on where it says custom size. And you'll get the width and the height, and this is where you're going to put the width and the height, and then you're going to click on new design. Of course, you see the pixels here. And now you have all of this blank canvas right here to create your design. So let's start with our fonts. I'm just going to do something simple just to show you. And I actually have the paid version of Canva, but you can also do this on the free version of Canva. Like this font right here. So let me just delete the top part. And I'm going to use this. You can go ahead and create something like this. I think I might change the color of this. So for example, I would like to have this on a hoodie, and the hoodie, I want the hoodie to be in the color black, white. So I'm just gonna change the color of the fonts by clicking up the top here, and then I'm gonna change this to black. And now we have something like that. This can go on a white hooded shirt. And then we're just going to stretch this out a bit because we have the whole canvas to use up. We have the whole canvas to use up. So just gonna stretch it out a bit. You're going to go on Canva and you're going to write something creative. Maybe you could write on your shirt the adjuster. Maybe you could write free Luigi. You know, we're going to use ChatGPT to come up with some creative words to put on our shirts. So I asked ChatGPT to please give me 10 names for a beloved vigilante named Luigi. And this is what it gave me. And I think I love the fourth one, Luigi the Avenger. What you can do, guys, you can just ask for more until you have like 5 different names that you really like. You could also mix and match all of these here if you want. Luigi the Protector. This is a good one as well. And now once that is done, you're going to go over to Printify or Printable. Now what these platforms are, they're absolutely free to begin with, and they allow you to upload your design that you created in Canva. You upload your design and then you choose a mock-up for your design, you choose your pricing, and you put your description on your product. You could use t-shirts as a mock-up, you could use hoodie as a mock-up, mugs, hats. There's so many items that you could actually sell. The more the merrier, the more the richer, the more the quicker the $100,000, right? So you can use all of this to put on your mock-ups. Now, once you use Printify, it's very easy to sign up, by the way, guys. You just need to put your email address and create a password, and that's it, you're in. And with Printify, how they make money is whenever you make a sale, that is when they make money, so you don't have to worry about how the startup cost is going to be when you're going on Printify or Printable. They actually take a small cut out of every sale that you do. And the best thing about these platforms is that they actually fulfill the orders for you. Once you upload your design onto the platform, you want to go ahead and select the best mockups. You could select persons that is standing, sitting. You can put them on mugs, as I said before. Once all of that is done, then you're going to go over to PayHip. Now, PayHip is wonderful. I love PayHip, and I've spoken about PayHip before on my channel. It is just amazing. Basically, PayHip is a website where you can host your website on for 100% free. Now, a lot of persons, when they're starting their print-on-demand business, they tend to use platforms like Shopify. But if you are starting out broke, okay, and if you don't have any money at all to invest, I would recommend that you use PayHip. Let me tell you why. It is free to use. To customize your website, it's absolutely easy as 1, 2, 3 ABC, okay? And another thing, that you can do almost everything that you can do on Shopify and all those big website hosting, you can actually do it on PayHip. Let me show you how. Alright, and now once all of that is done, you are 75% on your way to start making that $100,000. The very next thing that you're going to be doing, which is the key factor, you will need to create a new TikTok account. And I want you to name this TikTok account something that has to do with the campaign. So it could be Free Luigi. It could be something of the sort, the adjuster, whatever it is. Now, once you give it your name, then you want to go ahead and you want to upload your designs, your hoodies, your shirts, your hats, your mugs. You want to go ahead and upload these images to TikTok, and you want to make a slideshow. You want to make a slideshow, and you want to put some captions on there, and then you want to upload these videos with the trending song right now. I know that Luigi Mangione had a song played in his playlist at the time or right before he did what he did, and so that song is now blowing up. So you could find that song on TikTok, and you could actually, just put that song on your video with the caption and with your designs uploaded in the style of T-shirts and in the style of hoodies, mugs, caps, scarves, whatever it is, bags, whatever it is. And then you could, put some catchy slogans, whatever it is, and then you could just upload this. Now, you might start getting sales with your very first post, but 50% of the time you will not get sales, because you need to start uploading consistently, because you have to go ahead and fight with TikTok and the algorithm, okay? But I promise you, I guarantee you, if you do every single thing that I've outlined before, from the beginning of this video until now, you will make sales. I want you to upload at least 5 videos per day. Upload different designs, different colors. You could upload T-shirts in one TikTok video, and then you could do another video uploading only hoodies. You could do another video uploading only mugs in this video, and all of this will have the face or the name or something about Luigi Mangione that will drive people to buy, because people buy with their emotion. People think, even men, they think they're logical, but actually they're emotional when it comes to buying something. And right now the crowd is supporting Luigi Mangione, and so you are going to take advantage of the situation right now, regardless, again, as I said, of what you think about what he did. We're not here to judge. We listen, we don't judge, okay? So in this case, we listen, we see, we don't judge. We just trying to make the money off of this trend. All right, so I want you to hop on this. This is fresh. This is new. I have not seen anyone doing this. So I want you and I to, because this is something that I am going to be doing right now. I was waiting for an opportunity like this, and so I found it, and I am not going to wait any longer. I am actually doing this for myself right now, and I am about to make some money. I still can make some money for Christmas, and I definitely can make some money for the New Year. So if you want to join me, let's do this together. But another key thing that I must tell you is to be consistent. Be consistent, guys. Everything takes consistency. Most persons go to school and they spend approximately 15, 16, even 20 years, the first 20 years of their lives going into school, going to school, learning. So you do all of that so that you can come out and earn a living and earn a decent sum to take care of yourself and your family. So why is it so hard to take like 6 months, 6 more months on your own to study something that will, propel you to even greater heights and higher heights? Guys, come on, think. So we're going to do this together. 2025 is going to be our best year yet, and if you want to make 2025 the best year of your life, then stick with me, because I am going to be spilling all the tea. I'm not going to be kidding around, and you're gonna want to watch every single one of my videos. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me until the end of this video. Until the next time you see me will be in the future. Until next time, take care.